The New Hampshire vaccination site was a concept that was sprung very quickly when the vaccines became available, and we had gracious hosts at the New Hampshire Motor Speedway, and we all worked together to put a communications plan in place that really emphasized the importance of unified command. And the unified command was really well served by extensive cameras and video feeds to manage the event. The kits we used contained PTZ cameras, wireless internet routers with FirstNet SIM cards, battery packs, and other internet-based devices. We used them to connect to a cloud-based server to provide viewing back into unified command. Our first event started with 3 kits, and the impact on decision-making at unified command was substantial. And so we quickly acquired additional kits, ultimately deploying more than 20 cameras. We had reached out to FirstNet in advance to make sure that the infrastructure supporting the track was going to handle the load, and we were very pleased with the performance.
During the pandemic, and I say during the pandemic because we're still living in that environment, AT&T and FirstNet has been able to provide to us the opportunity for increased coverage. It's provided us an opportunity for cell phones that were provided by AT&T. It's provided an opportunity for us to better connect with our critical assets around the state. So when I say FirstNet is part of our mantra in what we do, the state of New Hampshire through the Department of Safety, through Department of Health and Human Services, through the Department of Homeland Security and Emergency Management, through our medical professionals, through the nurses associations that were involved in providing the vaccinations themselves. It was a multi-area, multi-discipline approach to try to get thousands of people vaccinated in a short amount of time.
Having that ability to be able to have a certain level of comfort knowing that we were going to have a reliable communications system or platform in place was very helpful to us here at the Department of Safety from an emergency management perspective.
Constantly monitoring on large monitors for people having trouble with getting to the vaccination tents, or if there was a traffic jam, if there was any kind of an incident like an accident or someone having a medical issue, we'd be able to react to it very quickly. So we were constantly, at any one moment, knew if the traffic was flowing and where the problems were, and we could deal with it.